Welcome back with another video with the Don Mom. Today he will be making his famous oxtails.
First, I already cleaned my oxtail. I take off the fat, wash it off with vinegar. Then I got all my vegetables. I got my green pepper, onion, tomato, scallion, and thyme. And now we're about to put it all in. Okay, this is my season. A little black pepper. A bit of Dover. Seasoned salt. Onion powder. Garlic powder, got accents, and a little browning. Can't put too much browning because you don't want to get too black. Now I'm about to marinate it, mix it all together. A little bit of taste, make sure I got enough season. But now I finished marinating. I'm about to make it sit for like 40 minutes before I start to cook it. Then I cook some rice and peas. I got my peas on the stove cooking. So I'll be back when I'm ready to start it. Thank you. Okay, now my kitchen is back. My oxtail is marinated. I got my pot on the stove with a little bit of grease. Now I'm about to put it in and saute it for like 10 minutes before I put the water in. You see, I got all my vegetable here. I put this on at the last when it almost finished. Then I put all my veggie in. Then I have to marinate my oxtail down for like 20 minutes. Then pour my hot water. Then it take like an hour and a half to cook. This is my finished product, my oxtail, rice and peas, and vegetable. It's finished, ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.
Like, comment,
See you
subscribe.
next time.